So today I'll show you how to make pom-pom balls using wool yarn. So let's get started. So you just need a cotton bud holder or any bottle, a yarn, and scissors. You can use anything for the cup I have used because you just need a thing that you can slip the yarn around when you're done. And now you just need to wrap the yarn around the cup, I guess, that I have taken. And now you just have to wrap it like 50 to 100 times, or if you want a big pom-pom you can do more, but you just need a little bit more of a cup or bottle holder. So you can use anything like this perfume bottle, or if you want you can also use your hands. And I'm just done, and I just want to cut the yarn from like a little bit distance. You have to keep, because you have to tie it up in the end. Now you just need to tie it from the back, like wash it carefully. You need to take it from the back and the front, and you have to make it super tight, like super duper tight, so it doesn't come out. Because if it super light or loose very much, so then your pom-pom ball is gonna be destroyed after you just cut the strings at the last. So keep watching for the end results. Now it's the time you all have been waiting for. It's time to cut, and you have to be super duper careful here, and you just need a sharp pair of scissors. Mine one is not working. I need to grab another one. So you can take small scissors, but it need to be sharp, and this one is not cutting too good, so I'll just grab the second pair of scissors. So I have cut it all, and now I'm cutting the ends and the strings that were coming out, and here you just make it all similar, all balanced, and you just need to grab like a dish or like a paper or anything you can, because it's gonna make a lot of mess. You're cutting the corner. And now it's all done. You just have to shake it. You can just grab some of the strings and you just shake it, and here you go. There is your pom-pom balls, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new upcoming videos.